You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome! Today we're focusing on moving from Los Angeles to Japan and how to navigate the custom smoothly. If you're making this exciting move, stick around for essential tips and advice to ensure a smooth transition. Moving from Los Angeles to Japan opens up a world of new opportunities, but navigating the custom process can be challenging. We're here to make sure your move is smooth and stress-free. In this episode, we're going to cover everything you need to know about preparing your belongings, understanding custom regulations, and using professional services to simplify the process. First, let's talk about preparing your belongings. You need to create an inventory list. A comprehensive inventory list is crucial in order to clear customs. Every single item has to be described in detail, and that includes its condition and its value. This list not only helps with customs, but it also serves as a record for insurance purposes. Second, after you've created your inventory list, you need to pack your items. And here are some packing tips for customer compliance. First, you have to use appropriate packing material. Use sturdy, high-quality materials to protect your belongings during transit. And you have to have clear labeling. Clearly label every single box with its contents and the room that it belongs to. This makes customs inspection easier and faster and also helps with unpacking. You must separate prohibited and restricted items. Pack prohibited or restricted items separately and make them easily accessible for inspection. Let's dive deeper into the prohibited and restricted items. Japan has strict regulations on items that cannot be imported. Some of these include narcotics and illegal drugs, firearms, explosives, obscene material, and even certain types of food and plants. Importing prohibited items can lead to severe penalties, including fines and confiscation. For a very detailed list, refer to our custom clearance guide on our website. Secondly, there's special considerations for restricted items. Some items are allowed, but with restrictions. One example is medication and healthcare products. Certain medications require a prescription or special permission. Electronics and appliances. You have to make sure electronic devices meet Japanese standards and voltage compatibility. And another one is plants and animal products. Importing these could require special permits and they need to be inspected. Now, once you arrive, you have to clear customs. So let's go through what that would look like. First, arrival and initial customs check. When you arrive in Japan, your belongings will go through an initial customs check. Here are some things you should be prepared for. First, inspection procedures. Custom officers may inspect your items to ensure compliance with regulations. 2, document review. You must have all necessary documents readily accessible and correctly fill out. After your initial arrival, you'll enter the second phase, which is clearing your belongings through customs. First, you have to submit your documents. You present all required documents to your custom officials. And then you need to be ready to pay any applicable duties and tax. If any issue arises, make sure you address them promptly with the help of your moving company or your customs broker. And it is important to utilize professional customs services. Here are some benefits of using a professional customs broker. Professional customs brokers can significantly ease the custom clearance process by offering expertise and deep knowledge of Japanese customs and regulations. They offer time-saving, efficient handling of the document, and the procedures will save you so much time. And they have a hassle-free process that reduces the risk of errors and delays. But you must choose the right service provider. When selecting a custom broker, consider expertise and reputation. Choose a provider with a proven track record in international regulations. And make sure you have a broker with comprehensive services. Look for a broker that offers a full range of services, including documentation, clearance, and delivery. And of course, SDC International Shipping is here to help you in any way that we can. And we would love to help you with our expertise and reputation and with our comprehensive services. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. For more information on how SDC International Shipping can assist you with your move from Los Angeles to Japan or anywhere else in the world, visit our website. We're here to ensure your international relocation is smooth and stress-free.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.